Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can configure and manage web disk with cPanel. So here we go. This is based on cPanel, a WebPros brand official website. So you can find what are web disk and WebDAV. Here we go. WebDAV let user download, upload, move, and edit files hosted on remote web server. It shares directories so users can interact with them as if they were stored on local file system. And here we go. DAV is acronym of distributed authoring and versioning. And WebDisk is cPanel and WHM's implementation of the WebDAV protocol. So this is the information: WebDAV versus FTP versus SMB. And here we go. How you can configure WebDAV on cPanel. So you can open a files here. You can navigate to web disk in the file selection on the cPanel menu. Enter username, domain, and password and choose directory inside your home directory. You can also configure whether the web disk is read-write or read-only. Here we go. So you can insert your username, insert your domain, password again, and here we go. Read, write, read only, and this is the directory. When you click create, cPanel deploy the web disk and you will be able to access file using the method described in the next section, this one. So how you can access WebDAV web disk from your device. So here, if you intend to access the disk from Microsoft Windows, you must first enable digits authentication, this one. cPanel attempt to identify your operating system and provide a direct link to configuration instruction. If the identification doesn't work, choose your platform in the interface to see relevant details, this one. So you can download configuration script and double click to execute it. So the cPanel provides custom web disk configuration script for macOS Finder, Windows Explorer, and the Linux File Manager, Nautilus, and Conqueror. So just download this script. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.